In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Adobe Acrobat screen name. Your screen name is the display name others see when you comment on PDFs, participate in shared reviews, or collaborate through Acrobat and Adobe Document Cloud. Setting it up takes just a moment, and it helps your work appear consistent and professional across projects. Start by opening Adobe Acrobat. You can use the desktop app or the web experience. Both lead to the same account settings. Once Acrobat is open, look to the upper right corner of the window. You'll see your profile area, typically a small circle showing your photo or initials. Click that profile icon to open your account options. From the menu, select Manage My Account. This often opens in your default browser so you can adjust account details securely. If you're prompted to sign in, that's expected for account changes. Proceed with your usual credentials. On some interfaces, this option may appear as Account or View Account. Any of those take you to the same place. On the account page, choose Edit Profile. You may see tabs for profile or personal info. The layout can vary slightly, but they all contain your profile details. Scroll until you find the section labeled Adobe Screen Name. This is the name Acrobat uses to identify you in comments, reviews, and shared workflows. Click Add to begin creating your screen name. Type the name you want others to see. Aim for something clear and recognizable, your first and last name or a professional alias that colleagues will instantly identify. If you get a message that the name is already in use, try a small variation, like adding a middle initial or a department tag. Keep it clean and avoid special characters that might not be supported. If you're part of an organization, consider following any naming guidelines they use so your identity is consistent across teams. When you're satisfied, click Save. Give it a moment to process, and you should see your new screen name reflected in the profile section. If it doesn't show up in Acrobat immediately, refresh the page or close and reopen the app to pull the latest account data. The screen name will carry over to Acrobat on the web and desktop, and it will appear on comments, shared reviews, and other collaboration features. That's it. You've added an Adobe Acrobat screen name. If you ever need to update it, return to the same Edit Profile area and make your change. Thanks for watching, and feel free to pause or replay any part if you'd like to follow along while you set yours up.